Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Without filters for oil, fuel, and air, vehicles just can't run as they were meant to. That's why for peak performance, America chooses FRAM filters. FRAM revolutionized the oil filter market way back in 1932. Chemist Frederick Franklin and T. Edward Oldham created an oil filter that was easy to replace, unlike everything else on the market at the time. 84 years and multiple patents later, FRAM filters are still leading the way. FRAM is in the automotive market, as well as in the heavy-duty commercial vehicle and professional installer sectors. What keeps them in the lead is a talented and dedicated workforce. It's these folks who make FRAM a success. At their plant in Greenville, Ohio, numerous team members work together to run the state-of-the-art process control and automated inspection. This guarantees products are made on time while meeting stringent internal and customer requirements. FRAM's 400-plus different types of oil filters are made here. 4 production lines churn out up to 500,000 filters each day. That's an annual capacity of over 100 million oil filters each year. FRAM also manufactures a wide variety of air and fuel filters as well as automotive accessories such as PCV valves, crankcase filters, and transmission modulators. FRAM is part of the FRAM Group, a global leader in vehicle replacement parts. To view their full product catalog, visit their website at fram.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.